Two-wheel drive Aisin A4 transmission into a two-wheel drive 98 Cherokee.
Jeep transmission.
This is an AW4 made by Aisin. They made Toyota transmissions too. Was she dry? That's real dry. That was anticlimactic. Oops. Two gaskets on it.
Two gaskets.
One for that, one for that. The torque spec on the pan bolts I just looked up were 64 inch-pounds, and I think these were like 80.
Here's the drain plug for the transmission. It's a 14mm socket.
Mark your drive shaft so you can put it back on the right way. Probably got to pry it out a little bit, like that.
Here's this clip. Just pop it like so. Yep, cool. Locate that little piece.
Starter's got to come out. We already took the electrical connectors off, and there's two bolts that go from the transmission side and then this one from the engine side. Get her around the lines, and there you go. You got to get this little guy off because our transmission didn't come with one. You just let it hang, and that's the shifter shaft. Dale, go ahead and shift. See? There you go. There we go. And just like that, shifter is out of the way. Then we got to reach up here, grab that crankshaft position sensor. We already pulled the cross member out. That's not too hard. Two bolts on both sides of the frame, not much to it. This is the transmission mount that mounts to the cross member. So you've got this plate in here. This has your rubber piece in there. That's what's going to fail if you have failed transmission mount and there's no way to replace it. You just replace this whole piece. 4 nuts on these studs is what holds that cross member in. And then your exhaust is also held in by those same 2 bolts. Get your transmission jack and slam her up into the tunnel there to get the clearance so this can come all the way down. And then just, there we go, like that. We already took some of the lower bell housing bolts out, the low hanging fruit, the starter's out, we got that. So we got to get to these top ones, and you can do it from the engine side, but man, that is hard. I like to just lower this on down. And now we can see those top bolts. We'll get a view of that on the camera. Oh yeah. Here's the top of the bell housing. You see that top bolt. I don't think we need to take that 12 o'clock one out. And then if you scoot over, you can see where we took that little special Torx head bolt out. There's another one we got to get to over on that side. You can see down in here, I already took this bolt out. The dipstick just, tube has to come up and out. Just encourage her. Transmission's done. Dale's over there gonna start her up for the first time. I want to get out to the main road so we can get it through all 4 gears. Steady acceleration. Nice. Nice. Nice.
Yeah, very good.
That's all 4.
Are you sure we can't keep this?
I don't know, man. We might keep it.
We're gonna keep it.
We're gonna probably keep it.